We got a new engine, and the previous owner took the sump cover off and split the gasket. So we're going to put on a new gasket. We got a Honda GX200, brand new out of the box.
There's the box. Here's the engine. All right, go ahead and take them bolts off. So we're going to take the sump cover here off. What are you doing there?
Gently tapping right here to make this come off.
Okay. All right, go ahead and pick her up. Make sure you pull it straight. So yes, that definitely is a correct cover. These engines are shipped with very little oil in them. So this here, this is your cam. This is your crankshaft.
Is it okay if I turn it?
You can turn it by hand.
What's down there?
So down in here, right here is called, this is where the journal is. It's where the connecting rod, the journal, if you look here, the connecting rod for the piston is right up in there. And this here is a low oil detector. This engine won't even start with no oil in it. Unlike that one over there. So he's going to take the gasket here off by hand and give him a scrape it and clean it up. Make sure nothing goes inside the crankcase. Watch your fingers. That's good. Up there. All right, let's pick the piece out of the engine. Clean up the sump cover, and we'll get the new gasket on. So Chandler has got the piece out of the engine there, and now we're going to work on cleaning that up. And then get it nice and clean. Put the new gasket on. Put it on. That's it. Case over top. It has to go on completely straight. So now, right there, take your rubber mallet, tap it right here gently. Now tap that side. Easy. Gotta get it straight. So, what I'm going to show Chandler is something that we do not recommend, but we're going to do it. When you put the bolts on, as soon as it starts going, stop. Stop. Now, come up here to the far corner and put them on at an angle, like a star pattern. Yep. There you are. Now, that one. Good. And next we will get out the torque wrench and we'll torque these things down to spec.